world forever.
No! The Herculean king, Hyperion, has declared war on all of humanity.
If any of you influence the affairs of mankind, the punishment will be severe. If there is one human who could lead them against Hyperion, it would be Theseus.
The gods may be on your side, but your Hyperion has just begun.
To those whom much is given, much is lost.
Today, we are offered something we would never have. Today, we fight for honor. Fight for your future. Fight for your children. Fight for immortality.
Gods chose well.